T-Mobile 5G Home Internet Setup. Take out the 5G gateway, modem/router, power adapter, and any other included items from the box. Position the gateway in a central spot in your home to ensure even coverage. It's best near a window to receive a stronger signal and away from large metal objects and thick walls to reduce interference. Attach the power adapter to the gateway and plug it into an electrical outlet. This powers up the device. If the gateway doesn't start automatically, press the power button to turn it on. On your computer or smartphone, search for the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, provided on the gateway or in the Quick Start Guide. Connect to it using the password provided. Open a web browser and type in the gateway's IP address, usually 192.168.12.1. This address takes you to the setup interface. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the initial setup. You might also use the T-Mobile Home Internet app for guided setup. After setup, check that your internet is working by visiting a website or running a speed test to ensure the connection is stable. If desired, change your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password, and set up additional features like guest networks or parental controls through the settings interface.